Hey there, Leslie here. Well, let's ask the tough questions before you actually determine that you need to make a career move or a move. Maybe you're not employed right now and you need a job, but is this the job for you? This field, the paralegal field. So let's get clear and write some of these down that will ask you the tough questions of yourself. And will that give you the answer? And be very clear about what you're going to walk into. It's always important to understand that. I went in blindly, but I had office skills before I went in, and you need them. That means typing, filing, answering phones, that type of thing, because they're not training you in that capacity. They're not training you in any capacity. So these are the questions to ask for. Are you looking to use specific skill sets you already have? What specific gifts and talents do you have that you think would be good for the paralegal field? Now, I'm going to talk about getting the Paralegal Playbook, if you have not already, at my website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Write that down. And then look under the Paralegal Resource Hub, get the playbook, but also investigate the hub and everything on that website, which is for beginners only, okay? Do you want to have specific time to yourself with your family? What is it that you don't want to sacrifice in that regard, even for a year? What is no, that is not negotiable, okay? Be specific about how much time you want to yourself. You want to work 40 hours, period, and have 2 days off? What is it? Do you want to be home with your children when they come home from school? What does that look like for this career, a part-time job? Do you want to take regular vacations together as a family? Is that important to you? Rate the importance of each of those. Write it down, rate the importance. So now, when you're looking at your bucket list for the job, for this position that you're looking at the legal field, what are you thinking about pay? Make that separate heading for the job itself. The other one was kind of personal, but this one is for the job. What pay are you wanting? What kind of flexibility? Where do you want to work, and what kind of or types of duties do you want to perform? How satisfied do you want to be with your job? Do you want to make, more money than when you first start out? And then anything else you can think of that will make you go, yes, this is for me. I know this is for me. But I want you to understand the duties you'll be performing. And that is numero uno. Because if you don't like the duties, you won't like the job. You won't like anybody you work with. It won't float your boat or be a check on your bucket list. So as paralegals, we deal with facts. Deal with the facts. Is this a fit for you? What area of law is a fit for your personality? So I want you to go get the playbook, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, and look under Paralegal Resource Hub and get the playbook. It's totally free. And then go to the one page that has paralegal duties. It's right in the middle of one of the pages, and how to research those duties. Will you enjoy performing those duties? You're not going to be an attorney. You're not going to be a baby attorney. You're going to be an assistant to the attorney. So will that be your bucket list item after you research those duties? And what duties do you know how to perform? They don't train you in most of those duties. They don't have time for that. They don't run a school. So, and you won't learn this. A lot of those duties you will not learn in a 2-year program or a certificate program. A lot of them. So you've got to fill in those gaps. So make sure you go to the website and look around. Everything there's for beginners. And then if this is for you and you're answering those questions, you're like, yep, this is me. I know it's for me. And you know what that paralegal is going to do every day in a specific area of law, and you want to go for it, then go for it. That you have your answer. okay? Just have a great day, get that playbook, and really analyze where you're at in this journey. Take care. Talk to you later.